We are the Karaoke Boys
because we have a good karaoke voice. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very tiny nose, like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a flashlight. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph play in any reindeer game like Monopoly. A lot for Christmas, there is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there up on the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you will ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good boy, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. Always up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Jingle bell rock, jingle bell swing, and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square, in the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bells, that's the jingle bells, that's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Vixen, Comet and Cupid. Dang it, man. Oh, hurrah. Vixen, Comet, Cupid. Come on! Keep on waiting. Beneath the mistletoe.
You're in a Karaoke Boy video right now, by the way.
Tom. Jingle bell jingle. Joya.
Santa baby and 50.